Monk's all bandaged. That's great. I'm gonna let him sit here. There isn't much I can do now. I mean, if I move him to the front, he's gonna get shot at, so it's not the best thing to do. Let's see, let's move over there. Dimitri. Yeah, you can pretty much see the difference between an injured person and someone not injured. Even though he's crouching, he's still faster, way faster. Let's see, can we even climb over there? I don't think we can. Then I guess we gotta go crouch, or actually I'll just go prone, and then pop around this corner and hopefully get a clear shot on that dude. Dimitri should go his back up. I mean, if the guy's close, a shotgun will help out. Quick save.
Time for the enemy to say its prayers.
Right, I remember that guy. He was annoying us when we were basically walking into this map over here. Yeah, there's no way I can make that shot. I'll try though. Well, he's alerted. That didn't look too far off, but still.
Enemies in sector.
That guy's far away. Very far. Go lie down, monk. You're fine. Oh, an automatic pistol. And another shot. And another. God, how many action points do these guys have? What's a smart move now? It's not like I can really hit that guy. I mean, he's lying down on a roof. There's not much I can do. Approaching him seems like a bad idea, so maybe I should jump over the wall and then move back. Still, it's gonna take too much action points. Right. Move one square to the front. Let's see if Dimitri can climb over. Next turn then.
Soldiers!
Let's go lie down again. At least we know where the enemy is now. There, and there's one. And one over there. God damn it. And he's calling for more help. That's wonderful.
Yes.
Turner better not die this time. Seriously. Yes, good shot. Whoa, he's already critical. That's great. Maybe he'll even bleed to death. It doesn't sound all too friendly, but still, he should. Now I don't want you to see him, I want you to see that guy. Do I dare throw a grenade? I'll quick save, because grenades can go horribly, horribly wrong. I'm wondering how far can I even throw this thing. I mean, if I throw it here, is it going to bounce over those rocks or something? Or should I actually... Can I even throw it this far? I mean, this is really far. I'll give it a try. Oh, apparently we can. And it bounced way too far. I'll quick load that. I'm sorry about the quick load, but I'm not really familiar with grenades. I'll throw it over here then. At least it'll bounce against the building. Or... well, we hit that guy. I mean, he's going to be bandaging and not really paying too much attention now. That's what I wanted to achieve. And hopefully not get monk shot. But be a plus. And Dimitri is now, he can now go crouch, which means he can probably get over that wall the next turn. Was that guy poor? I didn't really see it. Yeah, he's poor. Don't hit monk. Good.
Yes.
I don't think Dimitri can get a shot. Come on, can you? If anyone God. If anyone's going to get a shot on that guy, it's gotta be Monk. And that wasn't great. Okay, let's go. Whoa. I thought he'd be safe lying down, but those two guys can still see him. I may have screwed up there.
Right.
That guy's still holding his gun. He's not unconscious. Damn. Let's go lie down. I guess I'll have a try with Dimitri. That wasn't great. Damn. Go lie down again. And pray Monk doesn't get killed. Well, at least that guy is in the open now. That's definitely a plus. That guy is standing, which means he's going to be easier to hit.
Yes.
I think I may get a shot in now. Move to the top level and see. Still going to have to be pretty much a lucky shot, but it's better than nothing. Ooh, that was so close. Yet so far away. Yeah, cheesy lines. I know. Sue me. I prefer if you didn't. What to do about that guy? That was not really great. I'm gonna save 4 points to move backwards 1 square. So 5 points to the head. Yeah, that was bad, Monk. That was bad. He's still in range. There's no way he's in range lying there. There's no way that guy can see him. Dimitri, let's see if you can do better this time. That wasn't too horrible. Not great. Who's that guy shooting at? He went to lie down and shoot at something, but
Yes.
there's no way he can even see Monk. Ooh, that guy's standing. That makes him so tempting to shoot at.